within storm embrace. What I can trace. You are my always, my every time. In whispered dreams, your hands align. The pulse turns this rhyme. You are my always, my all within storm embrace. You are my always, my sublime. Forever sings in the chime. The sparks that lights this endless climb. In whispered dreams, you're.
Big music companies like SM Entertainment have EXO and eSpur. Sony Music has Adele and Beyoncé. Warner Music has Ed Sheeran and Cardi B. Now, you can create the next music superstar with the power of AI. You don't need a big team, talent scouts, songwriters, vocal coaches, expensive studios, or million-dollar deals. With AI, you can start your own music label, create songs, design album covers, manage your own AI. What this video will show you. In this video, I'll teach you the first and most important step, how to create songs using AI. This AI can make songs in English, Chinese, and Japanese. Getting started with Tempolar AI. Go to Tempolar AI using the link in the video description. Click Start Free now. Sign in using your Google, Apple, X, Twitter, or Facebook account. How to create a song with Tempolar AI. Choose the music type you want. Click the Custom Me option. Paste the lyrics you created, for example, using ChatGPT. Click Auto Air and choose a voice type. Then click Create. After a short wait, your AI-generated music will be ready.